Today, I'm going to show you how to measure the square footage of any room, and if you don't have a tape measure handy, you can use your phone, so I'm going to show you how. I started by measuring this with my actual tape measures so that I could prove that it actually comes out the exact same way. So the room is 8 feet 6 inches. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your utilities and go into the measure app. There is also actually a level here as well, and I use it all the time. And then you are going to navigate that dot, click it, and drag it to the other side of your wall. Click that, and that is going to give you how long the wall is. And as you can see there, it's 8 feet 6 inches, just like it was with the tape measure. Let's clear it out and measure it one more time just to make sure it's accurate. So we are going to point at the wall, click, and then we are going to drag to the other side of the wall, click, and then as you can see, 8 feet 6 inches again. In order to get the square footage of a room, you are going to do it to the other wall, and then this even tracks your measurements so that you don't have to remember them. That is the easiest way possible to get a square footage without a tape measure. Thanks, guys.